Hello everybody, hey guys, I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions team. So I'm back here today to introduce one more of our templates, which is from our old movie text effects collections, which in this collection we just select some old movie titles. As you see, there it comes at the beginning of the movies. If you're familiar with old movies and if you love old movies, you must be familiar and you must have seen these types of text so much. So in Hyperpix, as our VIP members have loved it so much and they've asked us to get started with making text effects and videos for these old movie styles, which you're seeing volume 5 of these text effects. I'm going to show you how easy you can turn your text into this brilliant style just with one click, and it's so easy. So this style is inspired from one of the old Superman movies and it's so easy to work with it. I hope you enjoy. So like all of our other products, this style is available and it works on all different languages, and you're not just limited into English. As you see, this is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the magnificent details and see how lovely it works. So don't worry, if you want to use any other language, there's no problem. You can just do it with a few clicks. So if you want to download this template, just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP membership, and you're going to have a total access to all of our products. So let's make it short and get started with working with this text effect. Just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So on the window which appears right here, as you see, we have our text right here. Just check out, I noticed that the first character is a little larger than the others and the rest are just a little smaller. So if you want to have it just like this, just need to select the first character, type your ideal character, and all the others separately just like this. As you see, I typed my text. Here we go. So also you can just enlarge the size of your text just like this. Guys, you can also increase the distance between your characters, as I'm doing right here. You can select any character you want and just do it. Also, you can just change the phone, but I'm just going to leave it on this phone. I'm going to close and click save and wait a little moment until my lovely 3D effect is applied. So as you see how lovely and beautiful our text is applied and the style is applied to our text. So I'm going to get started with the rest of the layers. Just I suggest you, before we get started, from the effects folder, just switch extrusion off. It's just temporary and it's the 3D effect, because it could make like your system a little slow, and it can like decrease your speed. So we'll come back finally and switch it back on. The next folder is adjustments, which contains 3 layers. We have brightness and contrast right here. Also a vignette, which is the inner shadow around your style, which if I switch it off, you're going to see the difference. Also the textures, which are used in this style and play a very important role. So if you switch it off, you're going to see what a huge difference it makes. So you can also handle the opacity of the textures and just play around with them and have so many different results. So the next part is these free texts, which we have right here. These two are for this section, and I'm just going to type a text. You see how it works. Here we go. And this part and this layer is this little text at the bottom right here, which you can also edit if you want to just remove it. You're totally free. So the effects contains the style and the main layers, and the main text, if you just pay attention, it has a little shadow around it, which you can switch it off or just keep it and have it on, and customize it a little, like just increase the size or increase or decrease the opacity. So finally we have the background folder, which we also have a texture in the background, and we have the colors of the background, which is a really interesting ability which our designers have allowed you to do. So you can make it darker or brighter or any other color you like so. We're done right here with this style. We just finally need to switch the extrusion back on and wait a little moment till our 3D effect is applied, just like this. So also, if you like, you can have a PNG outcome. You just need to leave the effects folder on and switch the eye off all the other layers, just like this. And as you see, our text is turned into a unique transparent, which is a great ability. Also, the shadow, you can switch it off from this part. So easy. And here we go. So thanks for watching this video. And if you like this template, if you like this text effect, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join our VIP account, and you're going to have a total access to all of our products and also the future updates and things we're going to add. Weekly, you're going to have so many newly added products. I hope you enjoyed this text effect. Bye to a next video from Mary.